It's Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 BL Mazda 3 hatch Neo, stock reference number 3829. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle's had a light hit in the front end. Bonnet appears to have no damage. We have the left-hand headlight, requires a polish. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.